What's up, everybody? Thank you for clicking on the video. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the alert bell, press all alerts so you're in the know when I drop new content. Thank you all who've been helping me. I'm trying to grow the channel. As y'all know, it's a beginner channel. But just thank you very much, because every click helps, everything. I would greatly appreciate if you also hit the like button. That helps the channel out a lot as well. Helps get in the algorithms, and hopefully more people see it, especially if you guys share it. I greatly appreciate that. So what we have this time around is a video I should have dropped a long time ago. I'm going through my videos from different sneakers, going through my Instagram and seeing sneakers that I did and I haven't even put the videos out for. And that's my fault. Because these sneakers here were the second pair of sneakers that I did in 2020. So this should have been out months ago. But it didn't happen. It's alright. It's happening now. I hope you guys enjoy this. Coming up after this is a dope pair of Game of Thrones sneakers. So please subscribe and hit the alert bell, so that way when those come out, you guys can watch those. I'm very excited to hear the feedback on those. I'm very excited to hear the feedback on these sneakers. These sneakers was something that came off the top of my head, and I feel like everybody who does this kind of thing is gonna feel like this is so creative or whatever, but this is definitely one that I felt was creative, especially just the little nuances of it. So again, watch the video. Please make sure that you subscribe and everything, and get in the comment section. I definitely would like to hear everybody's feedback on these. So these are the Air Force One custom Reptile editions, all right, created by yours truly. Enjoy. Want those little hints of orange in there, neon orange. We'll get back in there with a few little highlights of it too. See here what isn't outlined, and here you can see what is outlined around the shoe. Now I went in all of this with the white, added some more details, went around the whatever you want to call this area where the laces go. Just in general, added, like I said, I don't want to put highlights on every single scale, even here in the toe box. Not a lot, and you can still see the little orange marks in there too, which will set it off, especially I think in the sun or more light. I think the orange will be a little more apparent. Again, I got more cleaning up to do. I just wanted to get the design and the highlights right. And then as we reach the back area, same. Went back under the Nike swoosh. That's how that looked in comparison to that. I did start designing on this too. Haven't hit no highlights on it yet. So that's with the highlights, that's without it. Alright, so I went back around, cleaned up anything I have to clean up. If there was any extra detail I need to add it, I did. I went back in, covered some of the white up. I thought it was too much highlights around the eye area. Left a little bit though. But other than that, man, I'm pretty happy to see, you know, what we have here. I think we have a good mixture of a little bit of the orange that gave almost like the neon orange, but also a little bit of like a brownish kind of hint to it. Again, I can't wait to see how it looks in the sun. And you know, I just went back around all these areas, hit up some areas, added what I need to. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Remember when I taped it up, I only put the glaze or stuff like that on the areas that I painted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the rest of this looking matte finish the way it is, but I'm gonna add a high gloss to all the areas that I painted, because I want them areas to really stand out. End result of Reptile joints, Reptile Customs. All right, there you guys have it. It's a pair of sneakers that I definitely felt like I put a lot of creativity into. Anyway, subscribe, hit the alert bell, press like, and again, comment. Please comment. Let me know. I want to know what you guys think of what I did. I also want to know if you guys have some ideas. So I have a bottle. I have a bottle that I'm looking to do. So I'm looking for other suggestions of different things. I have a purse or a wristlet that soon I'm gonna put out, ladies, especially, really for everybody to pay attention for, because if you're looking for a Christmas gift or a birthday gift, this could work out for you. And I have a few other ideas, but if you guys have ideas, stuff you would like to see me paint and stuff like that, I'm talking about items, realistic items, then, you know, I'm all for it. You know, I'm looking for some way to take things creatively. All right. So again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, hitting the alert bell, and you know, clicking this video means a lot, whether you notice it or not. All right. So, and make sure you go check out my other videos if you haven't. Let me know what you think of all those things that I've done. The jewelry box. I definitely want to know what you guys think about the jewelry box. Go check that out. And all the other sneakers I've done. All right. And of course, we got a lot coming soon. All right. Salute. Enjoy the holidays.